I was watching Eddie Hall's reaction to the Devon Larratt versus Hafthor Bjornsson boxing fight, and there I got to know the score of the match. Well, obviously the score was round 1 TKO win for Hafthor, but the number of punches those guys connected. Devon landed 5 punches and Hafthor landed 9 punches. Considering the fact that Hafthor has been training for 1.5 years now and he still took 5 punches from Devon, I think he needs to work on his defense. But then again, those 5 punches that Devon landed were nowhere as strong as Hafthor's 9 punches, which was quite evident in the result. Welcome Arm Wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep Singh from Arm Wrestling News. Fujairah Arm Wrestling Championship in Dubai is over now and our boy Larry did not perform well once again. I'm not sure if he even won one round or not. The prize money was 10,000 dirhams, which is about 2700 US dollars or 2 lakh Indian rupees. The competition was divided into 2 weight categories, below 85 kg which was won by Maxim and above 85 kg which was won by Ruslan Babayev. After the competition, Larry Wheels said that he did not record much footage from the competition and the event was dominated by Ukrainians because they are used to of having high level competition in their country. Larry also mentioned that he was feeling sore from the table practice session on 19th of September with Devon Larratt. For a very brief moment, Devon was also thinking about competing there, but as expected, he didn't. Larry Wheels, Suhail Khan and all the other guys were having a really tough practice session just 3 days before the tournament, which I absolutely cannot understand why. Mazahir was the only one who decided to rest. Devon even mentioned that he's the smart guy. And as you can see in this photo, he won bronze medal. And I would say Mazahir is about the same level as Larry and Suhail, maybe just a little bit above them. But he decided to rest and I guess that's what worked for him. One more guy that I can recognize from this photo is Rahul Panekar from India. He weighs around 75 kilos or less I guess. So I believe he won the silver medal in below 85 kg class. Neil Pickup announced that Tom Holland and Mindaugas Terracaitis will be having another super match. Left-handed 6-round super match. So now they are going both right and left-handed. And there could also be a left-handed match between Coach Ray and Adrian Popescu or Jeff Hale and Adrian Popescu versus the winner of the Tom Holland versus Mindaugas match. Tom versus Mindaugas left-handed has already happened in 2019. Tom Holland won that match 5-0 and the match looked one-sided. I still have Tom Holland winning both these matches against Mindaugas even in 2021. Anyways, there are a lot of super matches coming up, lot of big super matches coming up, including Eric Sparto versus Chan Shaw super match. And a big thanks to Ryan Bowen for making this list of all upcoming matches. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.